Ba-da-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba.
Good morning. The baby's sleeping. Now I have a little time for myself. I tried these clothes yesterday, but I was lazy to do it, so oopsie. I lost the pairs. I've been watching YouTube for an hour. it's really hot. I mean, it's cold outside, but in the stores they make it really hot. I'm sweating and the baby is on me. I'm sweating more. My shirt was wet everywhere. I think my shirt had more sweat than a river. Really. Yeah, anyway, haul. What about haul? The first is this. It's like, you know, you can open it and put things inside. The next thing, tongue scraper, because I left mine in Hungary. I left mine in Hungary, so I bought a new tongue scraper. I don't know. I bought mascara because I bought one before from Daiso, and every time I put it on, my eyes get really itchy and I start crying. It's like burning my eyes. So I guess don't buy makeup from Daiso, but I bought this from Olivia. I bought from Daiso, like, you know, under the cup. Next, mouthwash. Lip pencil. I never had a lip pencil in my life. And lipstick. It's a really pretty color. It's like this. So I want to use like this together, you know. Yeah. And the last thing, bless you, the last thing I bought is mascara fixer. I don't really know what is it, but when I open it, it has no color, so I guessed that this is like before the mascara you can put it, but actually I don't know. Eyebrow gel, mascara gel, I will use it for that. That's it. Haul finish. Bye. I don't know. It's really ugly, but it's something. At least I wasn't on my phone, right? Good job. We are going to Ikea. Yeah. You know, actually, we only come to Ikea for eating. We don't want to buy anything. We just want to eat and then buy some things that we actually don't need. So ice cream. We eat ice cream and then we will just go home. We are going home now because we finished everything. We eat well, we see well. Actually, we only bought like the toilet scrubber. So I told you we just go to Ikea for eating, nothing else. Gaku. I know. I know. The house is so dirty. Not everything is what you see on the internet. Just because I know you want Ikea haul here for salt and pepper, you know. Actually, I will use it for other, like MSG or something. But it's for salt and pepper. Sorry, my son is shouting. He don't know how to behave in front of others. Joke. I'm just joking. And 2 toilet cleaner. That's it. Ikea all finish. And we just eat food. So